All you need is 30 days to completely change your life. And I mean it. I'm talking from my past experience. And please watch this whole video because I'm going to give you actionable steps and I'm going to tell you what has helped me, why 30 days is going to change your life completely. And it also helped my friend. So I'm pretty sure it's going to help you as well. I'm 100% confident. So yeah, please watch this whole video. So yeah, let's just dive into it. So I'm going to describe your current situation. So right now, you wake up, you do the same stuff that is not bringing you closer to your goal, like 9 to 5 or university or so on. And deep inside, you have a goal of making more money, of living good life, living in another country, and so on. Just having a business and so on. And at the moment, you're just not doing the tasks that you need to do. And every day you wake up, you don't feel proud of yourself. You look in the mirror, you're not in the shape that you want to be. You're not making enough money. You are scrolling every day on TikTok. And the most important thing is that you promised yourself to not do that. You promised yourself to go to the gym every day, and you're not doing that. So if that's you, then this video is for you because I've been there. I've been in a place where I couldn't go, where I couldn't make myself go to the gym like 3 or 4 times a week. And right now it's been 165 days of training every day. So I'm documenting my journey on Instagram. And I'm going to leave it down below. So this is also another social proof that it's going to completely change our life. In the next 30 days, as I promised, it's going to completely change your life. And I'm going to give you actionable steps, as I said. So yeah. So as I explained, so this is basically you, a person who is saying that he's going to change, but he's not doing that. So in the next 30 days, you're going to be a man of your word and you're going to stick with it. And the most important thing is consistency. To actually make a huge change in your life, you need to start by doing by doing things consistently every single day. So for the next 30 days, and you're going to start today, after watching this video, obviously maybe you have some things to do, but after that, you're starting today. And you're going to do something consistently every single day. Because the power is in consistency. So yeah, I hope that makes sense because if we're talking about motivation, it's not going to help you achieve nothing. It's just going to help you start the things. But discipline is going to help you actually move forward. And I would recommend you to read Atomic Habits. So if you can write that down, Atomic Habits is a must for every human on the earth, every single person. So you should read that because it also helped me start. And you also need to understand that there's not going to be a magic pill or there's not going to be like a random change out of nowhere that boom, you are a millionaire or boom, you are making 10K a month or something like that. It's not going to happen. You need to start by changing yourself first. If you want to reach 10K a month, you need to become that person. You need to do the things that 10K person, 10K you would do. What they would do if, let's say, in order to make 10K, what kind of actions you need to do on daily basis? Like do the person who is making 10K a month, is he waking up at 12 a.m. or 10 a.m.? Is he waking up at 6 a.m.? Is he sending 200 emails a day? Is he making sales calls? Is he going to the gym every single day? Is he reading books and so on? So hope that makes sense. You need to become that person. And then you're going to see results. But it all starts with consistency. You need to do things that are bringing you closer to your goals every single day. I train every single day, as I said, and I know this is going to help health-wise. And I'm going to look better. I'm going to have better discipline. I'm going to be proud of myself. And I am super proud because I know that a lot of people are not going to commit to this like challenge. So yeah, and you're just going to see that after 30 days of doing something consistently, you're going to see a huge changes. You're going to be proud of yourself. You're going to be more confident, and you're going to definitely get closer to your goal. So in the next 30 days, I'm just asking for you to be consistent with the things that you think that could bring you closer to your goals. So practical steps to lock in. So set clear goals. Define specific measurable objectives. So your goal for the next like 30 days is to set clear goals, right? So your goals could be like train every single day. This could be one goal, right? And I don't know what are you doing exactly, but let's say I'm an agency owner and let's say I need to run ads for my clients, right? Then I'm going to obviously tell myself that I need to do this and that on that specific day, and I'm going to do it. And after that, I'm going to feel better because I'm a man of work. So yeah, just set clear goals. What you also need to do is get rid of bad habits. So that's another practical step to lock in. So analyze your bad habits. Let's say it could be not going to the gym. It can be junk food. It can be doom scrolling. You need to get rid of that because the person who is making 10K a month, right, is not doing that. Like imagine yourself being at 10K. What is he doing? Is he doom scrolling? Tell me honestly right now. Is he doom scrolling every single day for 2 hours? Just be completely honest with yourself. Then get fucking rid of that. Forget about the doom scrolling. Forget it forever. No doom scrolling. Is he going at least 4 times a week to the gym because he wants to take care of his health? Probably yes, at least 4 or 3 times. So yeah, just analyze your habits that are not moving you forward. Do that. And then create a non-negotiable routine. So do that on a sheet of paper. You can start by adding smaller goals, smaller like non-negotiables, like reading 10 pages a day. But the idea is that it's going to compound eventually, and it's going to build you a habit. So please do that. Do that on a sheet of paper. Just add non-negotiables to it, like read 10 pages a day or something like that. And you need to be a man of your word. You need to do that. You need to just, if you have like 5 tasks every day, you need to commit to it. You need to do it. And after 30 days, you're going to say, you're going to think, you're going to definitely thank, sorry, my English is not perfect. You're going to be super grateful for me actually telling it for you. So yeah, and track your progress, obviously. Use a habit tracker or journal for accountability. Do that as well. And also what is going to help you is to find an accountability partner that is going to also take care of you, that you will need to send the reports and so on. Trust me, it's going to help you a lot, a lot. This is probably the most essential thing. Just find an accountability partner. Otherwise, what you can do is exactly same stuff as I did with gym, with training every day. I'm just documenting my journey, and I can't. Today, I'm not feeling like going to the gym. I gotta be honest, but I must. There is a word, I must, because I can't let my audience down. This is like pushing me so hard forward. It's making me move forward, and I can see the compound effect. I By going every single day to train on the, like, how to say, on the side, I also do business related stuff every single day. It's just compound effect. So yeah, I would recommend you also leveraging social media to not let audience down, because like you're not going to let your audience down. Like you are going to make yourself look very stupid. So imagine you tell your audience that you're going to run every single day, and you have 10,000 people watching you, or let's say even 500 people watching you, 200 people, and they're watching you, and they can see that you're skipping days. Like, it's not going to, like, you're not going to feel well. You're not going to be proud of you. You're not going to be confident. So hope that makes sense. And stay disciplined. Focus on discipline, not on motivation, to build lasting habits. So So today you're going to start by writing habits, and you're going to be a man of your words. You're going to be a man of your words, and you're going to do those habits. Do those things is going to become your habits. So yeah, hope that makes sense. And it's going to be like, I can give you an analogy. It's like brick by brick. Yeah, like you're putting small. You're putting bricks every single day, and after some time, it's going to compound. So hope that makes sense. And yeah, you just need to be consistent. You need to create habits, and this is what is going to help you change. And in the next 30 days, like, your life is going to be completely changed. It's going to be completely different. And I also can give you another analogy, a snowball effect. So let's say you're on a hill, and you have a snowball, and you just let it go, like, down the hill, and let's say it compounds. Eventually it's going to be a huge snowball. So you should look at it the same. And I would suggest you to start by waking up a bit earlier and sending the photo of you waking up early, either to, like, uploading it to social media, or sending a video to your friend. So do that. Yeah, waking up earlier, going to the gym at least 3 to 4 times, like, in the beginning. After that, you can, like, train daily. On Saturdays or Sundays, you can go for a run, stretch, or swim, and so on. You need to have, like, active rest days. Then what you can also do is read every day. Reading is good. So you can read 10 pages every single day. And yeah, just have an accountability tracker, have accountability partner, and also some of the things you can also document on social media. It's free to upload, and you can also, like, just do it on Instagram stories. So yeah, hope that makes sense. So that would be the essential things that I would suggest you to start with. Also, do, like, work at least 1 to 2 hours every single day towards your goal, towards your dream, because it's also going to compound. But as I said, start with small goals, small steps, and after that, it's going to compound. But the idea is that this whole thing, like, this is what I told you. If you're going to implement this into your daily life, into your life, it's going to completely change your life. Like, you're going to be a completely different person, completely, I guarantee. And this is from my past experience. Right now, I don't have any problems with consistency. I actually, like, I've have enough, like, whys of why I want to do it every single day. So another thing would be whys, to have good why on why you want to do this and that. So just have whys as well, and it's going to help you a lot. Because as I said, for me right now, I'm the living proof. I don't have any problems with discipline. I'm disciplined guy. I have discipline, and I'm proud of myself. I'm confident in myself. I'm seeing compound effect, and I want you to be there as well. So I hope this video was valuable. If it was, drop a like. It's going to also help me a lot if you're going to drop a like, because I'm going to see that I'm making an impact, and that is why I'm here. I just want to help you guys. So yeah, and if it was valuable, drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.